In this video, I will share with you how to edit an existing contact in GoHighLevel. So step one, log in to your GoHighLevel account. Then switch to the account or the sub account you want to add an existing you want to edit an existing contact from. Then click on wait a moment till you are landed on the sub account, and then go to contacts. As you see, I have one single contact on this sub account. So to edit it, click on the contact name, and then you will see the contact details. For example, the first name, the last name, the email address, the phone number. For example, let's say that I want to add the date of birth for this contact. I will click on it, select the correct date, for example, this year, this month, this day, click on save. And just like that, the date of birth is added to this contact. And this is how to edit an existing contact on GoHighLevel. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.